In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build an aesthetic cozy planner in Notion. Start by opening Notion and heading to your home screen. This is your main dashboard, and it is the easiest place to begin when you want to add a new setup to your workspace. From Home, find and click Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Notion keeps templates, so you can add a polished layout without building everything from scratch. Once you are in the Marketplace, click into the search bar and type Highlight. As you type, results will appear. Click the result labeled Highlight to open the template listing. Take a moment to look over the preview so you know you are selecting the right planner style. Next, click Add. This begins the process of adding the template into your Notion account. When Notion asks where to place it, click New Team Space. This creates a fresh, separate area for the planner, which helps keep your personal planning pages organized and easy to find later. You will then click Highlight again as part of selecting and confirming the destination for the template. After that, click Recents. This is helpful if you want to quickly locate the template or the destination you just used. Then click See Template to open the full template view before or after it is added, depending on how your Notion is set up. Now click Cozy Planner to enter the main planner page. Inside, you will see the weekly layout with days listed. Click Monday, then click Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Opening each day helps you understand how the planner is structured, and it makes it easier to start using it consistently. Next, click into the section labeled Morning. This is typically where you add simple routines or key tasks to start your day with focus. Then click Daily Comfort Rituals to review or personalize the Cozy Habits section. After that, click Stuff to get done to access the main task area where you can capture priorities for the day. Then click This Day to view the daily overview, and click Highlight again where it appears in the layout to select or focus that area. Finally, click This Month to switch to the monthly view, and click Highlight again to confirm that section is selected. That covers everything you need to know.